lock. Actually, this is the connector for the transducer. Means this probe Sonicator. This probe we need to connect here in transducer connector, and this is the temperature probe, and we need to connect it here. Temperature probe. Power cord. Actually, this one is the extra probe for the probe Sonicator, and this is 2 mm probe, 2 mm diameter probe. That means the diameter of this area is 2 mm. Actually, this one is the soundproof cabinet. Okay, for avoiding the ultrasonic noise to external atmosphere. This temperature probe we need to keep in the sample. Before providing the power to the unit, we need to ensure that the earthing and the voltage is okay. First we need to check whether it is 230 volt. Voltage showing is 234, it's okay. Between phase and neutral, and the earthing between earth and phase, the voltage should show the same voltage, 230 volt. Otherwise, the connection may not be proper. Actually, here we are using 6 mm probe. This is 6 mm. So that we need to select one selector here, 6 mm position. Actually, this is the probe. This is the tip we need to change. Okay, this is the 6 mm tip, and this one is the 2 mm tip. In order to tighten the 2 mm tip, we need to use this spanner. This spanner we need to use. Okay. Actually, these are the tools to remove the tip from this probe. Okay. There is one larger size, and in order to remove this tip, we need to rotate it anti-clockwise. This tip, so that we need to use this tool like this. Like this, we need to. Okay. And the second one here. Okay, now we need to change the position of this tool like this. Okay, because we need to tighten it in the clockwise direction. Okay. Okay. In the clockwise direction we need to tighten it. Okay. Again I am going to remove this probe. Actually now I am going to remove this now, so that I need to rotate it anti-clockwise. Again I am going to fix this 6 probe. Tip in this probe sonicator. I need to rotate in the clockwise direction to fix the probe. Perfect, firmly. The probe tip should be inserted in the solution. Okay, then we need to type this now. Temperature probe also need to be inserted in the sample. And this one is the on-off switch. Actually, this menu shows the last operation. This is the elapsed time. This is the process time, 0 hour, 0 minute. This is the pulse on time, 2 seconds, and pulse off time, 1 second. That means 2 seconds will be pulse will be on, and for the remaining 1 second it will be off. Again 2 seconds will be on, 1 second will be off. And in that manner, total 5 minutes it will work. And this shows the alarm temperature. That means if you are setting any alarm limit, temperature of the solution limit, then if the temperature is if the probe temperature is exceeding this alarm limit, it will show us the alarm. And this one is the probe we selected. This is 6 probe showing here. This is the power to the probe, and this is the set button. This is the stop button. This is the run or pause button. This is the menu display test screen, and first we need to set the pulse on time using the test button.
312.
Now the pulse on time is 3 seconds, and the pulse off time I am going to adjust to 2 seconds. Now the off time is 2 seconds. The process time is 5 minutes right now. And 10 minutes. I am going to adjust it to 10 minutes. Okay. Then it is 10 minutes, and the alarm temperature I am going to set into 35 degree. Okay, now it is 35 degree alarm temperature limit. That means if the sample temperature exceeds the 35 degree, it will shows alarm. And this is the power rating. That means power to the probe we can adjust here. This is the program serial number. We can set the program. Okay. Actually, now we have adjusted the program settings like this, and I am going to start the power to the probe. That means we need to press the run button. It is showing green color. 2 seconds on and 1 second off. between, if we need to pause the program, we can just press this button and it will be paused. Now it is paused. Okay. Now it is paused. Now it is running. Maximum we should not try to operate this without sample.